Okay, fixing a Karcher K4 600. There's not much to them really. There's just four screws, one, two, three, four around that side and four screws around the back. You have to take the wheels off, just take the end cap off and pull the axle out, and then that bit will come off. Then the pump just drops out. What goes wrong with them, there's nothing much mechanical that goes wrong with them, is this capacitor. It basically, if it starts grumbling or buzzing and it won't start, what this does is it provides enough oomph to kickstart the actual motor to turn it, because obviously there's pressure in the pump and it's got to crank it round, so it needs a bit of a jolt, and that's what this thing does. And it's 32 microfarad, and they're about 17 quid or so on Amazon, probably get them a bit cheaper on eBay. So that's what you need. You don't have to take the whole, you know, this is the pump on the end. You just loosen the four screws and then just slide it out slightly, just enough to get that rubber sort of cap off, and then this will just crank it. It'll bend it a little bit, but it won't really do any harm to it, and that'll just give you enough, you know, movement to pull that capacitor out, and then it's just a matter of putting it all back together again. All right, good luck.